Hi, this is Abe, and in this video I'm going to talk about character manipulation using LPAD and RPAD functions in Oracle Database. I'll look at the syntax and then run through a few examples. So LPAD and RPAD, or left pad and right pad, if you're trying to pad or move a string to the left or right a specific number of times using a specific string, this is the function that you would want to use. So if you look at the syntax, basically the keywords are LPAD or RPAD, and then within the brackets you have to specify the string that you're wanting to pad, either left or right. N here represents the number of times you want to pad that string, and then S2 represents what you want to pad it with. And I'll go through an example and show you exactly what that means. Now I've already got my SQL Developer application open. I have a connection to my database. So for my first example, I'm going to use the dual table. If I do a select and then the keyword RPAD, open the bracket, single quote, employee list. There's my string that I want to pad to the right, comma. I want to pad it 40 times. And then the string that I want to pad it with is a period. Single quote, close that. Close the bracket, and then from dual, semicolon, run that. As you can see with my result here, it put in the string employee list, and then padded 40 characters from the beginning. As you can see, it put in the dots that I requested. So for my second example, I'm going to use my employees table. So I'll do the RPAD function first. First name, concatenate and a space, last name. There's my first string. I'm going to do 40 spaces, and then use the period as the second string. There's my first one, and then I'm going to concatenate, do an LPAD, put in a space, concatenate employee ID. I want 5 spaces, and the second string is the period as well. And I'm going to call that employee list. This is from the employees table, and I want to order by employee ID. Okay? Just to show you what's possible with some of these commands. And I've done the concat function in a previous video, so check that out if you'd like. So if I go ahead and run that, you can see in my results, I've named for the output, I've named the column employee list. I've got the display of first name, last name, and the employee ID, and they're all spaced out according to the parameters I specified up here. So we talked about the LPAD and RPAD functions. I went through a few examples, and I used some of the functions that I've talked about previously. I'll be posting these scripts onto my blog, which I'll link to in the description box below. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and see you later.